friends, God bless you and welcome. On today's video, I am going to be creating some DIY using wood. Today's video is a collaboration called This Is My Thing from Dollartreecrafts, Maria. And today's video, I am going to do a DIY made from wood. This is budget friendly. It doesn't cost me anything because I already have the wood and the paint. And I'm first going to start out spray painting my wood with some chalk paint. The only thing I'm going to do with the wood is just make little decorator books so I can put some words and decorations on it. Now I did spray one of the blocks with chalk paint and the other paint was regular spray paint and it wasn't chalk paint. But the texture didn't turn out like I wanted. So I am using acrylic paint and that works so much better. After the paint dried, I did sand the edges with some sandpaper to give it a little rustic look on the edge of it. And after that, I am going to add the words from my Cricut machine. So I'm just here just trying to measure everything up. Now this DIY is just simple. It's nothing hard to do, and I just added some jute string around it, and as you see, I added some prayer hands to it. Friends, this is the final reveal. This is how I style it in my home, on my coffee table, something simple and elegant, and all it says is the family that prays together stays together. And we need prayer in our home. Well, thank Creations, Miss Maria, for putting this collab together. And she does this every month, the last Monday of the month. And if you're new on today, thank you so much for stopping in. Thank you so much to all my faithful friends. God bless you. I appreciate it. And just know I will leave you another DIY video in the description box. I thank you so much for watching. God bless y'all, and y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Bye-bye from Penny.